Good morning, students. Today, our topic is present perfect and the past participle. So, let us know about the past participle first. Try to understand it. The third form of the verb is called the past participle. It expresses about an action is completed and hence is no longer in progress. The past participle is used to form the perfect tenses. For example, he has done his homework. She had written a letter. Like this. The past participle is used to form the passive voice. For example, homework has been done. Rice is eaten by Ram. A letter had been written. Water was drunk by Gopal. The road is being repaired. Let us know about the past participles of regular verbs. Write down the regular verbs on your copies. Present, past and past participles. Now write down the irregular verbs on your copies. Here are some more examples of irregular verbs. Present, past and past participles. Write down the verb on your copies. Let us know about present perfect. We form the present perfect tense with the present tense form of have and the past participle. Write down the sentence pattern table. We use the present perfect for an action begun in the past and which has continued up to the time of speaking. कौनसी कार्य घटना बा अवस्था अतीत आरंभ हुई कहवा मुहूर्त पर्यंत हेउथिले प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस व्यवहार करा जाए. यह अतीतर कार्य घटना बा अवस्था आदि को वर्तमान सहित संपर्क स्थापन करिथाए. For example, she has written 3 letters this morning. Here you can see a picture. Gopal has done a lot of work today. Here you can see a picture. People have waited the doctor all day. Here is a picture. People have waited the doctor all day. For an action started in the past and the result of which we can feel or observe in the present. କାର୍ଯ୍ୟଟି ଶେଷ ହୋଇ ତାହାର ଫଳ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଅନୁଭୂତ ବା ଦୃଶ୍ୟ ହେଉଥିଲେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଏ. The boy has polished the shoes. The shoes are shining. Present result. Someone has broken the cup. To talk about an action begins in the past and finishes at the time of speaking. ଅତୀତରେ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ଶେଷ ହେଉଥିବା କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ. Ram, I haven't seen you for long, but I see you now. No one has cleaned this room for months, but the girl is cleaning now. We use present perfect to say it is the first or second time, etc. It is the second time Raja has won the first prize in debate competition. It is the first time he has driven the car. Some adverbials are often used with present perfect. The adverbials are just, hardly, already, yet, ever. I have just received a letter. I have already done my homework. I have written the letter but I haven't posted it yet. Have you ever played baseball? He has hardly helped others. We use the present perfect to refer to a habit that began in the past and continues up to present and may continue in the future. कौनसी अभ्यास अतीत आरंभ हुई वर्तमान पर्यंत चली और भविष्य को प्रसारित हेले प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस व्यवहार करा जाए. For example, Mr. Sahu has taught history ever since he joined the college. My father has always walked to work. Been and gone. Try to understand this. We use been and gone to form the present perfect tense of go, but the meaning is different. Gone means gone away, not returned. Been means gone and returned to here or some other places. Mark the difference in meaning been gone to and been to. Manoj has gone to Delhi. He is there now. He has not returned. You can see. Manisha has been to Agra. She has returned from Agra. She is now at home. Here you can see she is now at home. For. We use for when we say about a period of time. कार्यटी केते समय धरी हेउची यहाँ प्रकाश करिया हेले for व्यवहार हुए. Raj has waited the doctor for 2 hours. Since. We use since with a point of time which means from that point to the time of speaking. कार्यटी केबे वा क्यों निर्दिष्ट समय आरंभ होईची ताहा प्रकाश करियाकु since व्यवहार हुए. Raj has waited the doctor since 6 p.m. Now it is 8 p.m. So students, now homework for you. Write down the homework and do the homework at your home. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon to see the previous as well as the next videos. If you have any doubts, please contact me or WhatsApp me. Thank you.